ending today's trading session with a whimper, you'd have to say. 10,000 just about being held on to, higher by about 28 points there on the 10,000 mark. So all in all, we're 140 points down on the Nifty today. You've got the Sensex, which is down by 476 points, 33,890 thereabouts. The broader end of the market seeing far worse gashes, at least that's for the small cap end of the market. And by the time we wrap up today, in terms of the sectoral thrust, well, quite a U-turn from what we saw earlier this morning. Today, now, most of your sectors are in the red, led by media. Take a look at banks, down 540 points on the Nifty Bank. PSU banks, infrastructure, as well as metals and IT not spared. Pharma has been the only cluster that goes home with a smart gain in trade today. The losers on the index then, it's GAIL that's leading the way on the downside. ICICI Bank down in trade. Wipro, BPCL, Titan, HDFC Bank, as well as Airtel, Bajaj Finance, RIL, as well as IOC and Coal India, some of the other drags. On the flip side though, Pharma has a good run, so Reddy's as well as Sun Pharma, Cipla firmly in the green, giving its company is IndusInd Bank, Infratel, M&M, as well as Eicher Motors. To some of the newsmakers in today's trading session then, and Hero Moto continues to be eyed. It's expected to be quite a washout quarter due to the lockdown. We're looking out for Titan as well, and that company was hit hard by the lockdown. The profits did manage to beat, but the revenues were lackluster. SBI Cards, we spoke with the management. They're very confident that companies will be back with a bang after COVID, seeing 70 to 80% of pre-COVID levels already. Meantime, you've got Adani Green. They bagged a 45,000 crore rupees solar project from SECI, and that kept the stock active. PVR falls flat on its face, posts its numbers, a loss of 76 crores versus 46 crores. Inox Leisure has had a very rough run today, despite its management speaking to us today saying that there will be a comeback by Q3, but they delivered a loss of 82 crores versus a PAT of 48 crores. GSPL revenues are at 3,207 crores. Profits came in at 497 crores. Chalet Hotels as well, reacting to its quarterly numbers. So that's how we wind it up today. Within the broader universe, I'm just going to mark some of the names that have had a bit of a tough time in today's trading session. Vodafone Idea, Arvind, Raymond, EIH, Just Dial, SIS India, First Source, IDFC, AD Capital, as well as Phoenix Mills, and some that have managed to stand out. Dishman Carbogen, BHEL had a good run, Advanced Enzymes in the green, MMTC, RBL, as well as Adani Green Energy and Magma FinCorp, along with the Lemon Tree Hotels, which ends higher by about 5%.